All right, our next Delta Math is how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so arithmetic means that we know right off the bat that we're adding or subtracting between the terms. So we have to write, and they're asking about the 51st term, so we have to write our explicit formula. So it'll take way too long to do it recursively. So let's see here. Our sequence here is -17, -25, -33. Let's hop over to the sketch pad. Okay, so -17, -25, and -33. We want to figure out what is our common difference. So we're going to take -25 minus -17. I know two subtraction signs in a row actually make a plus sign, so -25 plus 17 gives me -8 for my common difference. My arithmetic sequence formula, explicit formula, is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. My a sub 1 here is -17. My common difference is -8. And they want me, Delta Math wants us to find the 51st term. So a sub 51 equals -17 plus -8 times 51 minus 1. And I'm going to follow my order of operations. My tea is done. Okay, I don't know if you could hear my microwave, sorry. So I'm going to follow order of operations, and that gives me what I'm going to do what's inside my parentheses first, right, because I'm simplifying. So 51 minus 1 equals 50. Next I'm going to do, there's no exponents, so I do my multiplied or divided terms. So -8 times 50 gives me -400. And then I'm going to do my last step, which is just adding -17 plus -400, which gives me -417. And let's hop back over to Delta Math. Type it in, -417. We'll click submit and see what they say. Yes, we're sure. Bada boom, we got it. Green check mark, good to go. Okay, and that's all there is to finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence.